Hello and welcome to Science Experiments with ThinkerPlace. So today we will see how a glass can disappear due to same refractive index. In this experiment we will learn about total internal reflection, transparency and how this phenomena is used in optics.
For this experiment you will need a glass, a smaller glass and some sunflower oil. So first we will keep the small glass inside the bigger glass. Then we'll pour some oil into the smaller glass. Now you can see the smaller glass is visible. But when we fill this glass up to the top, you will see this glass is not seen anymore. So this phenomena occurs because of same refractive index. In this, the light passes through zero, which is scattering in a straight line, and you can't differentiate between the two materials, which is glass and oil.
So what have we learned from this experiment? We have learnt about transparency, in which materials with the same refractive index are likely to exhibit similar transparency characteristics. Indistinguishable optical properties. When two or more materials have the same refractive index, it means that they have the same optical properties when it comes to the bending of light. A few examples of this phenomena are seen in anti-reflective coatings, fiber optic coupling, immersion techniques in microscopy and much more. So what's next? You can try out this experiment with glass rods and other materials like pencil or straw and observe.